Welcome to Aabidaaryan, where simple food is made with care, love, and honesty. Today cooking, shrimp biryani. Let's begin by washing our fresh shrimp thoroughly. Clean them well under running water to remove any smell or dirt. Now we marinate the shrimp with turmeric powder, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes to absorb all those rich flavors. In a hot pan, lightly sauté the marinated shrimp in a bit of oil. Cook for just a few minutes until they curl up. Don't overcook. They'll cook more later in the biryani. Let's prepare our biryani base. Heat oil and add whole spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, then toss in thinly sliced onions. Fry until golden brown and aromatic. Now add in chopped tomatoes, slit green chilies, mint, and coriander leaves. Sauté everything well until the tomatoes soften and blend into the masala. Add a couple of spoonfuls of curd for richness and mix it into the masala. Then gently fold in the sautéed shrimp. Look at that beautiful mix of colors and aromas. It's time to add our soaked and drained basmati rice. Gently mix it in without breaking the grains. This is where the magic begins. Pour in enough water, add a pinch of salt, and bring everything to a boil. Then lower the flame and cover the pot. Let it cook slowly on dum until all the flavors come together. After a few minutes, open the lid and enjoy that burst of aroma. The rice is fluffy, shrimp juicy, and masala perfectly coated. This is what a perfect biryani looks like. Serve hot with a side of onion raita or boiled egg. Every spoonful is bursting with flavor and love. Shrimp biryani, the perfect treat for seafood lovers. See you in the next recipe. Until then, keep cooking with love. Aabidaaryan.